Hello, my name is Obi Grace Nneka. Welcome to my cooking channel. Question: would you like to learn how to eliminate, cut down drastically grease, fat, and oil from your diet? Would you also like to learn how to maximize the nutrition in your food, cut down on your cooking time, save up to 25% on your grocery bill, and up to 70% on your gas and electricity bill? Then watch a few of my videos, and if you like what you see and learn, subscribe to my channel, share videos with friends, like my videos. Disclaimer: this is not a Saladmaster channel. I'm not an employee of Saladmaster, but I share Saladmaster's statement, changing lives. This is achieved by protecting the flavor and maintaining the optimal amount of the nutritional values of ingredients we cook, cutting cooking time down, saving money on grocery and utility bills, for instance your gas and electricity. Cookwares: Saladmaster cookware. Reasons for using Saladmaster cookware: 1. The inner cooking surface is made from 316 titanium bearing stainless steel, which provides superior corrosion resistance and resistance to chemical reactions with the salt, acid, and alkalis in the food we prepare, meaning no metal byproduct in the food that I cook. 2. Saladmaster cookware is designed for low moisture cooking method, a way of cooking food at lower temperature settings in their own natural moisture, thereby preserving its nutrition and enhancing the natural flavors. 3. Saladmaster cookware is made with 3004 clad aluminium core, which provides even heat distribution across the bottom and up the sides to promote even cooking and allow stovetop baking. 4. Vapor cooking method is enabled using Saladmaster cookware. Vapor cooking method is an ideal method for fish, shellfish, and also for defatting meat. Here are some of the Saladmaster cookware. Here I have the Saladmaster food processor. The food processor has got 3 suction pads and 1 at the back. So I'll put this over here just so that I can have a little bit of space. Now, if you notice, it is not easy to pull out because of the suction pads. It is easy to dismantle so that you can store it. I prefer to leave mine out. It has a mirror finish which lasts a lifetime. I'll move it a little bit so that you can see the suction pad behind. It is very easy to fit in, as you can see. Now, it's got this, which has the screws here, where I fit in my cone, and I can use them to shred vegetables. Here are the cones which I use with my Saladmaster food processor. And see, allows me to cut different shapes and different sizes. This is the second one. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. And this is the fifth one. It is very easy to fit in, bearing in mind that I'm using just one hand. So just hold me a second and I'll quickly put it in. Okay, it's very easy to put in. The holes fit into this groove. Could you focus on the groove, please? Okay, so it's very easy to put in. I'm going to make a little bit of space. Okay, so in, out, again in, out, in, and out, in, and out. Okay. Your vegetables go in here. So if I had carrot, I will place my carrot here, or I can put it here and then grate, or put it over there and grate. And then it's very easy to remove. You put it in your hand and scraping it out. And as you can see now, this doesn't hurt my hand because it's safe to use. Okay, I'm going to take them all out again. And again, I'm going to push all this back so that I can have some space to show you the other products. This is the what you call electric skillet. That's the inside. It has a valve here which clicks. So which means that if this gets to a specific temperature, which will be about 86 degrees, it would start clicking to let you know that it's reached 86 degrees. It's got here, which is where you connect this plug to cookware. And it's very easy to change. Okay, let's switch it on. Sorry, I have to put this in. So I have to put this in first before I put this to the switch. Switch it on. You can see the light comes on. Okay, that means it's on. Then what I need to do is to press this temperature probe. Pressing that, then I can get the temperature I want. So I have 65. If I press up, it goes up. And press down, it goes down. Also, I can press this. This is a timer, which allows me set the time for how long I want it to cook for. So if I want it to cook for 2 minutes, and I've set it for 2 minutes, then I press this to shut it off. Okay, now when I'm cooking, I will tell you more about this. So again, I shouldn't have done that. I should have switched it off first before taking that out. Now all these are okay to wash in your so you can wash any of these using your dishwasher. The dishwasher safe, including the electric skillet, but do not put this in your dishwasher. That doesn't go in your dishwasher. Now I have this, which is a 1 quart pour, and it's got cover. Again, it's got the calibration guide, I've got the valve there, and then I've got another one which also has a cover. The cover is nestled in, so it's very easy to put it in, but also they can stay on top of another one to make it easy for you to use a small space. This is a church pan. Okay, it's got a lot of holes which allows you sieve if you want to save your your fruit. If you wanted to save the food you've been cooking, then it uses a 3/4 saucepan. This fits into my 3/4 saucepan. Again, there's a cover for this. Nestles in here, which means I can stack another one right on top of it. The nestles in here, and then that means I can stack another one up here. And by doing this, I can store all of this in a very small space. And by using up just a very little space. Why you should watch this channel. You should watch this channel because I'll be introducing you to a healthy and nutritious cooking system. And how would I do this? The cooking methods. The cooking method should allow me to cook faster than traditional methods, as the vapor seal lid creates a semi-vacuum which shortens cooking time, reducing my gas and electricity bill. Eat healthier. The food that I cook should contain no metal byproducts from chemical reactions with cookware during the cooking process. The food I cook should retain maximum nutrition and the true natural flavors without unnecessary calories or adding excessive salt, sugar, fats, or oil. The Saladmaster cookware, which I'll be using, will help me eliminate and cut down drastically grease, fat, and oil from my diet. This is because the pot allows me to cook without oil, and so any oil that I put would be mostly just for texture. Thank you for watching this video and being patient with me. Looking forward to seeing you on my second video. Bye bye.